guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a good old-fashioned Boxycharm unboxing. Get ready with me. This is January's box. You probably know about Boxycharm already, but they are a bomb beauty subscription service, my #1 favorite. I've been getting this forever, and I like to just get ready with me, see what I got in the box, share it with you guys, and we just do makeup. Boxycharm is a great affordable way to get makeup, skincare, brushes, all types of products for such a low price. Not to mention it's fun. You kind of give yourself some love every month. So basically you get 5 full-size products for a super cheap price. I will put the link down below if you're interested, but we're gonna get ready together and we're using Boxycharm. So I hope you enjoy it. I did this whole look and I did not use any foundation. So just wait to see what we got in this month's box. If you're new, welcome, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. I upload every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so make sure you're subscribed and go say hi to me on Instagram at Bondbeautyful. Go say hi, how you doing? Go follow me there, and let's just get started. So I have my January Boxycharm. There's a lot of skincare because the whole theme is fresh start. That's what the theme is. So my face is ready to get prepped before we start with makeup, and the first thing in the box is this huge Pharmacy Deep Sweep Pore Cleaning Toner. Looks like this. This usually costs $28. Ooh, it's a glass bottle. Super fancy, really big. I'm super excited. So I'm gonna grab my cotton pads and we're gonna try this baby out. This smells really good. It smells like there's something in here that reminds me of something. Is it? I don't know what it is, but it smells good. I don't even want to show you guys, but this is gnarly. Like, look at that. So gross. So I'm glad I toned and prepped my skin, because the next thing I'm getting into is this Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. This usually retails for $25. It boosts hydration and glow with its protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, plus jojoba, and rosehip oils, made with green apple and pineapple. So let's try this baby out. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like green apple. So I'm gonna put that on. Ooh, I like this. I like this. I've tried lip masks where they kind of like stung and got crusty on my lips, and I didn't like that. So I like that this just has a bunch of oils and it just feels like really smooth on my skin, like it's just gonna add a bunch of hydration. Let me finish my skincare real quick. This is new, the Derma E Create Skin Beneficial Mist Mood Enhancement. So I'm gonna spray that on my face. Ooh, it smells a little bit minty. It smells nice. So it's supposed to hydrate your skin. This is just something new that I was dying to try and thought I would try it on camera. Has coconut essence, witch hazel, which is good because I need some help with some spots over here. After that, I'm gonna put this Flower Plus CBD Chill Out Skin Serum from Flower Beauty. Really good. I'm excited to put that on. This is also newer to me and it's really nice. So I'm gonna put that on. Quick skincare before I start getting ready. And then last I have this, is it called Weleda? The Weleda Skin Food Original. You can actually use this on your face, on your hands. So I'm putting that on and we're gonna see how foundation works on top of that. So I'm putting that on. Oh, feels so nice. So while that kind of sits into my skin, let's go on to the next thing in the Boxycharm box, the Violet Voss Olive You Forever palette. I am so excited about this. Violet Voss is usually more expensive, and this palette costs $34. It is a very new launch to them. So I'm gonna open it up. I love olive shades, and we're going out to dinner tonight, so gotta do something cute. Has a mirror, has some beautiful shades that are right up my alley, so wearable. I'm gonna be doing like a room makeover for my two youngest boys. I've been telling my little 2, almost 3-year-old, like, that he still sleeps in a crib. It's time for him to get a big boy bed, but I've been like, I don't want to say threatening, because it's not threatening, it's like teasing him that if he's not like, doesn't go to sleep on time, or, you know, doesn't stay in his bed because he can climb out of his bed, doesn't stay in his bed, that I'm going to take his bed away and he's going to sleep in the living room floor. He's not going to have a room anymore. And so it's just kind of funny, but I think I'm going to like play off of that whenever I do renovate his room. Do you guys want to see that? Like, maybe I'll test the foundation and then show you guys clips of me redoing his room. But that's kind of fun. Go follow me on Instagram to see kind of like the details on that, but I think I'm gonna do that and then surprise him with like a baby shark room, like, ta-da! Thought it would be kind of cute. Anyways, let's get into this palette, shall we? I'm so excited. All right, I'm gonna get into this shade right here. That shade is called Wishful. Maybe I'll do a cut crease. I've been kind of into cut creases lately, so I think I might do that. Whoa, this is actually a really good palette. Sometimes Violet Voss palettes I find can be hit or miss on the smoothness of the eyeshadows, the matte shadows. This one is nice. Like, especially the brighter palettes and more colorful palettes, I don't think they make the best formula, but like the Flamingo palette was not my favorite, but this one's a good one and I'm excited. I'm gonna get into Wink, which is this lighter blushing shade right here. Infatuated right here. And mix that one with Wishful. And I'm gonna build that into the crease here. These are kind of like, these colors are my vibe right now. Wow, I'm really liking this palette. This is new, so I am interested to see what other new palettes they have, and it kind of makes me want to try them because this palette is nice. I'm going to get into Charmed on this outer corner. The outer V. Do you guys want to see like a 14 days of Valentine's where every day there's a new Valentine's tutorial? What do you guys think? Let me know. Comment below. Now that I've done that, I'm going to cut my crease in this inner part because I want to put some really cool colors in there, try those shimmers out. I think I'm going to do a little bit of silver and this color right here. These two next to each other just look so beautiful. Okay, and now I'm going to get into that olive shade right here. This palette does have some fallout, but it is really, really, really nice. I'm getting into these lashes called Hipster from Alter Ego, my favorite lash brand in the whole entire world. Never tried these ones, so let's see how that goes. I'm sure. Okay, so the last thing in my Boxycharm is this Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. I have this shade here, medium, and it retails for $35. It's an all-purpose, all-in-one sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, and foundation with SPF 20 that's part of an effortless beauty routine for an ultra natural looking complexion. Okay, so it's supposed to also be a foundation, so, and primer, so I shouldn't have to prime at all, so I'm not. Let's see what happens with this blob on my face, shall we? Ooh, I think medium will actually work fine if it doesn't oxidize. Okay, I'm gonna get into my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer because it's new. If you didn't see my last video where my Instagram followers picked my makeup, they picked this bronzer, and I've been kind of, you know, playing with it and trying to use it as much as I can. And so that's why I'm using that today. I'm gonna go in with the highlight first, and again, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight. I'm gonna use this. Oh my gosh. This is so freaking gorgeous. Okay, I'll get into this one. This one's called Maldives. It's the Putty Blush in Maldives. I'll put this one on. Not ready to go. Okay, so the last thing in the Boxycharm is the Lipgasm lip gloss from Trust Fund Beauty. Totally opposite than what I was going for. Okay, so here we go with a nude. Feels like a lip gloss I've never felt before. It's like a light wash, like it has tint but not like a lot. So this is how my look ended up turning out, and I'm really impressed that I could do all this without any foundation. I thought for sure I was gonna have to put some foundation on top of that tinted moisturizer, but I'm not gonna lie, it actually works really well, and my skin still looks really flawless, and it gave me coverage. It gave me coverage, and that concealer just really helped to conceal all the places that I need to conceal, mainly my under eyes, because I only slept a couple of hours last night. It was terrible, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed Boxycharm, my unboxing. Hit the like if you like seeing these type of Boxycharm videos. Also, share with me down below what you got if you have Boxycharm. If you don't have Boxycharm, why do you not have Boxycharm? If you have a different box that you like to receive, let me know also in the comments, you guys. And tell me if you want to see 14 days of Valentine's, where every day for 14 days leading up to Valentine's, I have a different look for you guys. Let me know if that's something you're interested in down below in the comments. I love you. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.